Hello friends, in this video we will be talking about pipes and cisterns. The questions based on pipes and cisterns, they are merely an extension of the idea of two or more than two people working simultaneously on a project. The only difference is that in the case of pipes and cisterns, it is possible for you to do negative work. By negative work, what we mean is that, let us say, if this is a tank that needs to be filled, there is a inlet pipe which can fill it in 10 hours. There is another inlet pipe which can fill it in 20 hours. At the same time, let's say there is an outlet pipe here which can empty it in 30 hours. So now the question is, if all the pipes are opened simultaneously, in how much time will the tank be filled? So what is happening here is, there is this pipe which is taking out the water that you are filling. So it is doing negative work. In the case of two or more than two people working together, you do not have negative work there. So it does not happen that, let us say, A and B are filling a tank and there is a C who is like simply coming and undoing whatever work has already been done. So in that sense, pipes and cisterns would be slightly different. In order to answer these questions, let's say this question is precisely, we can use both the LCM as well as the unitary method. In case I was to go with unitary method, I would say work done per unit time will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. So once I write this equation, I would be able to solve this. This is equivalent to 30 to the 60, 60 is upon 60. This becomes 6 plus 2, 3 is 6 minus 3 to the 6 plus 3, 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is equal to 7 upon 60. If this is 7 upon 60, the time taken will be 60 upon 7 hours. So 60 upon 7 hours will be my answer. This question would be better answered if we use the LCM method. Using LCM method, let us say the capacity of the tank is the LCM of 10, 20 and 30. So the LCM of 10, 20 and 30 is 60. So 60 liters, let's say, is the capacity of the tank. If 60 is the capacity, the first one is filling at the rate of 60 upon 10, 6 units per hour. 60 upon 20, 3 units per hour. 60 upon 30, 2 units per hour is going out. So the effective rate at which I am filling the tank is 6 plus 3, 9, 9 minus 2, 7 units per hour. If 7 units per hour, total requirement is 60 units, the time taken will be 60 upon 7, answer. So you should remember this. For questions based on pipes and cisterns, the LCM method would in general work out better than any other method. Let's take one more example on this. Tank has two inlet pipes which can fill it in 10 hours and 15 hours respectively. So the tank has got two inlet pipes which can fill it in 10 hours and 15 hours respectively. It also has an outlet pipe which can empty it in 30 hours. So the outlet pipe can empty it in 30 hours. The inlet pipes are opened at 6 a.m. So at 6 a.m. the inlet pipes are open. Just when the tank was expected to be filled, it is discovered that the outlet pipe had accidentally been left open. After the outlet pipe is closed, how much more time will be needed to fill the tank? So how much more time will be needed to fill the tank? What we will do is, we will use the LCM method. There are three numbers here, 10, 15 and 30. Let us say the LCM of these three numbers is 30. The capacity of the tank is 30 units. If the capacity of the tank is 30 units, the first one will take 30 upon 10, 3 units per minute, per, let's say, per hour. So this is filling at the rate of 3 units per hour. 30 upon 15, this is filling at the rate of 2 units per hour. And this is 30 upon 30, 1 unit per hour is going out. If the total capacity is 30, the original time that it should have taken, that should have been 3 plus 2, 5, 30 upon 5, 6 hours. So 6 hours is what it should originally have taken. Now what is happening is, we are filling at the rate of 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1, 4 units per hour. If I am filling at the rate of 4 units per hour, because 1 unit is going out, so 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1, 4 units is effectively what I am filling. In 6 hours, I will have filled 6 into 4 equal to 24 units. Having filled 24 units, how much is remaining empty? 60 minus 20, 30 minus 24 equal to 6 units. For filling 6 units, how much time will I take? Now that this has been closed, the effective filling rate is 3 plus 2, 5 units per hour. 5 units per hour, 6 units. Time required is 6 upon 5 equal to 1.2 hours. The process is started at 6 a.m. This continued for 6 hours, so that's my 12 p.m. After 12 p.m. another 1.2 hours. 1.2 hours is 1 p.m. and 0.2 is 1 upon 5, that will be 60 upon 5 is 12 minutes. So this will be filled at 1:12 p.m. That will be your answer. The point here is that if I was to try answering this question using the unitary method, it would have been very complicated. With this LCM method, this becomes a lot easier, and this is what I would suggest that you should use in general.